Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. And today guys, another day in the life of owning an Abarth 595 Turismo 2018 model, 165 brake horsepower, probably a little bit more currently because we've got a turbo intake hose pipe which is going to increase the airflow into the turbo itself, and we've got a catback system which eliminates the back box on the car, which will probably take away a little bit of that unnecessary back pressure coming from the exhaust. So we're probably looking at 170 horsepower, I would assume. I need to dyno the car, but for now guys, a day in the life, what it's like to own an Abarth 595. Yeah buddy, let's go. Hey guys, as well is all about cold starts. So if you're wanting to hear what these grumpy Abarth 595 Scorpion beasts sound like, stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of cold starts in this video. It's basically just going to be cold starts. It's going to be one of those days. Just put your earphones in and enjoy the sound. Let's go. Guys, so in this country it is of course illegal to drive and be on your phone at the same time, so we're not going to do that. However, I am telling you, I'm going to go get a coffee, then there's going to be another cold start, and then from there we're going to head to the gym, and then it's going to be another cold start. So guys, stay tuned, there's going to be a lot more coming. Drop a comment down below if you agree. These for 1.4 cars, 1.4 liter turbos, must be and have to be one of the best sounding deep tone non-tinny cars. Let me know if you agree. Again guys, if you've waxed your car, your water runoff should look something like this. More beady as opposed to blotchy and streaky. You can see it all the way around here. Alrighty guys, coffee has been had. We did do a little brief clean in the car. When you wax your car, it makes it a little bit easier to clean it because literally stuff just falls off of it. But anyways guys, we're at the gym. Something a little bit different. I don't usually show this much of my day to day in these vlog style videos, but today I am. And guys, we're going to hit a little bit of legs. We're going to war. It's going to be messy. I'll see you back at the car with another cold start. Guys, so we have just wrapped up at the gym. As you can hear, the cold start is well and truly in progress, and I think we've got one more stop, or this might actually be the last stop before we wrap up this cold start video. But anyways guys, stay tuned, more to come. Let's go. Are off. I just realized, because in that previous part I said that there might be another stop or a cold start, but I don't actually think there's going to be by the time I get home. So yeah, we're going to make the most of the last bit of this video, do a little bit of a drive, hear a little bit of pops and bangs, especially a little bit later on. Later tonight as well guys, there is a surprise guest coming on the channel that owns an Audi R8 V10 Plus. He's a good friend of mine. So make sure you stay tuned for the videos to come in the next week or so. I'm going to be obviously editing that over the weekend. And it's going to be a bit of a review on the Audi R8 It's going to be a very good video. We're going to have a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that, guys. For now, back to the Abarths with some pops and bangs from the nicest sounding 1.4 turbo. One thing with where I live, guys, there's so many learner drivers because there's obviously like a facility here that for bikes and cars, and just the streets here are crawling with learners. And it's funny, you know, we were all there. It's just one of those things. Here's learner bikes. You can probably maybe see those in the footage. But yeah, very busy area. Lots of cars just stopping to the side of the road. All the old stickers. But hey, we were all learners. We were all beginners. We all started somewhere. So you can't really hate, can you? It's just one of those things when you have places to be or somewhere to be, it's like now's not the time. Now is not the time to be stuck behind you. But yeah, guys, always give a little bit of space. Always try to be respectful to them. I know it's hard, especially when you're in a rush to be somewhere. But at the end of the day, you know, you got to remember, like, people are panicking when they are learner drivers. Like, first time on the road, it's quite scary. It's quite intimidating. We just forget that, don't we? Anyways, gear 3. Fuck's sake, bro. Turbo though, you always got to account for that little bit of lag. You've got to get that acceleration in the sweet spot of the boost of the turbo, and then it really pulls. So it's like that little bit of time delay with that turbo, but very good fun. Oh, they've got cones out here. It's like a bit of a race course, this. Woo. Catback exhaust, guys. Another pull. It's there when you want it. It's there when you want it. That's what I always say about these cars. The noise and the fun is always there, just according to how heavy your foot goes on the pedal. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed your fair share of the cold starts. I actually wanted to try and get some more in there, but I mean, you know, you can only stop and start so many places within your day. And a little bit of a glimpse into my lifestyle, guys, and what I do during the day. Obviously I do work. I haven't incorporated that into the videos. But I am a PT, so my schedule is sort of quite flexy to some extent. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I say, stay tuned. There's going to be some very interesting new content coming soon. Something very different. If you're interested in the Audi R8 V10 Plus, like I said, my mate is going to be bringing one onto this channel. We're going to have a fun evening tonight, basically. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. Another day, what it's like to own an Abarth 595. I'll see you guys on the next one.